And now, this moment is truly special because the next performance is not by our students, but by the most excited performance of the day. Any guesses? Exactly. It is from our parents. Yes, our amazing moms and dads who took out time from their busy schedules, came to school, practiced for 4 long hours, and today they are all set to recreate their beautiful college memories on stage. Just look at their spirit. They said, for our children and for Vriha, we are ready to dance again. Hats off to each one of them for bringing their childhood back. So now, without keeping you waiting, please welcome our wonderful parents, both moms and dads, as they perform the slow, soulful and nostalgic.
గుమ్మడిగాయ కొట్టయ్యాలిరా, మంగళహారతి పట్టయ్యాలిరా. గుమ్మడిగాయ కొట్టయ్యాలిరా, మంగళహారతి పట్టయ్యాలిరా. Wanna sing and a dance and a magatira, wanna rock and a move and a magatira. Wanna sing and a dance and a magatira, wanna rock and a move and a magatira. Wanna sing and a dance and a magatira, wanna rock and a move and a magatira. Wanna sing and a dance and a magatira, wanna rock and a move and a magatira.
What an energy, what an energy.
Today, our young yogis present a graceful journey of balance and strength. They begin with Surya Namaskara and Vijaya Mantras, moving into middle split pose with Tadasana formation, followed by the leg and king pigeon pose. They flow into half-wheel tree pose, flowering lotus, and the eight-angle posture. Watch the power of Dhanurasana, Alasana, and the majestic king cobra pose. They now shift into round formation with Alasana and a quick cartwheel. The performance continues with a climbing sequence and pigeon pose, finally concluding with a beautiful bridge position formation. Let's applaud our performers for bringing the true spirit of yoga to life.
ॐ ह्रं मित्राय नमः ॐ ह्रं रवये नमः ॐ ह्रं सूर्याय नमः ॐ ह्रं भानवे नमः ॐ ह्रं खगाय नमः ॐ ह्रं पूर्णे नमः ॐ ह्रं हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ ह्रं मरीचये नमः ॐ ह्रं आदित्याय नमः ॐ ह्रं सवित्रे नमः ॐ ह्रं अर्काय नमः ॐ ह्रं भास्कराय नमः
Are you ready to go back to the days when this song ruled the charts?
Yes, this was the song that made everyone dance, sing and groove like never before. And today, our little stars are bringing back that full-on Rangila vibe.
This song celebrates joy, fun, and the colors of life, and our performers are ready to set the stage on fire with every step and swirl.
time for a fun-filled performance. Yes, our 10 students are ready to rock the stage. With full energy, full masti and full entertainment. Here comes the lively number, Botany Paatamundi. Let's welcome them with a big round of applause.
బోటనీ పాఠముంది మేటనీ ఆట ఉంది దేనికో ఓటు చెప్పరా హిస్టరీ లెక్చర్ ఉంది మిస్టరీ పిక్చర్ ఉంది సోదరా ఏది బెస్టురా బోటనీ క్లాస్ అంటే బోరు బోరు హిస్టరీ రుస్టు కన్న రెస్ట్ మేలు పాటలు ఫైటులున్న ఫిల్ము చూడు బ్రేకులు డిస్కోలు చూపుతారు
జగడ 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 జా జగడ 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 జా జగడ 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 జా జగడ 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 జా
దువ్వెనే కోడి జుత్తు నవ్వెనే ఏడ్చినట్టు ఎవ్వరే గొప్పమ్మ బాబు కన్నెనే చూడనట్టు కన్నులే తేలబెట్టు ఎవ్వరి వింత గరీబు జోరుగా వచ్చాడే జేమ్స్ బాండు ఈరగా వేస్తాడే ఈల సౌండు నీడలా వెంటాడే జీడి బ్రాండు పోజులే చూస్తుంటే ఒళ్ళు మండు
జగడ 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 జా జగడ 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 జా జగడ 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 జా జగడ 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 జా
అయ్యో మార్చునే తలుచుకుంటే మూర్చలే ముంచుకొచ్చే మార్గమే చెప్పు గురువా తాళం రాజు మార్చి తాళంలో పడరాజా మార్చునే తలుచుకుంటే మూర్చలే ముంచుకొచ్చే మార్గమే చెప్పు గురువా కొండల కోర్సు ఉంది ఎంతకి తగ్గనంది ఏందిరో ఎంత గొడవా ఎందుకీ వైరాన్న వెర్రి నాన్న కళ్ళరా సులువైన దారిలో నాయ్
ఉందిగా సెప్టెంబరు మార్చి పైన వాయిదా పద్ధతుంది దేనికైనా
మాక్సిమం మార్కులిచ్చు మ్యాథ్స్ లో ధ్యాస ఉంచు కొద్దిగా ఒళ్ళు పంచరావు రే తందనా దందన తందనా దందన తందనా దందన
గ్రాఫుపై ఉన్న శ్రద్ధ గ్రాఫుపై పెట్టు కాస్త ఫస్ట్ ర్యాంకు పొందవచ్చు రోయ్
తందనా తందన తందనా దందన తందనా దందన
అరే ఏం సార్ లెక్కలో ఎక్కాలో తెల్వనోళ్ళు లక్కుతోని లక్షలల్లా మునిగిపోతారు పుస్తకాలతో కుస్తీలు పట్టేటోళ్ళు సర్కారీ క్లర్కులయ్యి మురిగిపోతారు
జగడ 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 జా జగడ 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 జా జగడ 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 జా జగడ 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 జా
Dear parents, you have seen your children dance with full energy. But now it's time to reveal a secret of RIA. Yes, at RIA, learning doesn't just happen in classrooms. It happens in smiles, in celebrations, and today in dance. The song you're about to witness, Gira Gira, is all about letting go, shaking off the worries, and celebrating life without filters. It says, even if the world spins fast around you, dance with it. Don't run from it. And who teaches our children these beautiful lessons every day? Our teachers. They correct notebooks, prepare lessons, solve dots, and still find time to celebrate life. Today, they are not teachers, not faculty, not mentors. They are Riya's rock stars. So get ready to see the ones who shape young minds now shaking the stage. With wild smiles, full energy, and zero hesitation, presenting our very own Riya teachers performing to Gira Gira.
ఎర్ర బొట్టు దిద్ది ఎండి మేఘం మెరిసిందే పచ్చని సీర కట్టి పంట సేనే మురిసిందే పరదాలే తీసేద్దాం దిగి దిగి దిత్తాం దిత్తాం దిత్తా ఏ మబ్బు వెనక ఏ సినుకు ఉందో ఏడారాలునో ఏ తవ్వలోనా ఉందో ఏడాగును సాగును ఏ ఎండల్లో దాగి 7 రంగుల్లో ఆహరివులే పుట్టను కదా ముల్లైనా పూలైనా కొమ్మకు పోసే కదా గిర్ర 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 గింగిరాగిరే సర్ర 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 పొంగరాలివే జర్ర 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 సుట్టు తిరిగెలే అందాల భూమి సూర్యునిలా గిర్ర 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 గింగిరాగిరే తుర్రు 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 తోట పిట్టలే చెర్ర 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 ఎగిరిపోవులే రయ్యంటూ రాయి ఒడిసెల్లా ఎర్ర బొట్టు దిద్ది ఎండి మేఘం మెరిసిందే పచ్చని సీర కట్టి పంట సేలే మురిసిందే పరదాలే తీసేద్దాం దిగి దిగి దిత్తాం దిత్తాం దిత్తా తల్లిలా కొంగునే సాపినాదే ఒళ్ళో గువ్వలా దాచినాదే ఊరే స్నేహమే ఊరిన ఊటసెల్లి మాయే చుట్టుపక్క ఏ గోడలు అడ్డేలేని వాడలు ముద్దుకున్నాయే హత్తుకున్నాయే మనసుతోనే అందరు సోతమని గిర్ర 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 గింగిరాగిరే సర్ర 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 పొంగరాలివే జర్ర 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 సుట్టు తిరిగెలే అందాల భూమి సూర్యునిలా గిర్ర 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 గింగిరాగిరే తుర్రు 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 తోట పిట్టలే చెర్ర 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 ఎగిరిపోవులే రయ్యంటూ రాయి ఒడిసెల్లా రాలే సుక్కలే గాజుల సప్పుడాయే లేని హాయిలో ముంచునాయే దూరం చూడగా దారిలో దగ్గరైపోయే చల్లారని సంతోషమే తెల్లారగా ఉండాలని పంచుకున్నాయే పెంచుకున్నాయే తెలవకనే తెలిసిన చుట్టంలా గిర్ర 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 గింగిరాగిరే సర్ర 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 పొంగరాలివే జర్ర 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 సుట్టు తిరిగెలే అందాల భూమి సూర్యునిలా గిర్ర 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 గింగిరాగిరే తుర్రు 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 తోట పిట్టలే చెర్ర 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 ఎగిరిపోవులే రయ్యంటూ రాయి ఒడిసెల్లా
sir, you're unstoppable. And now it's time to end the night with a bang and a bloom. Power and elegance come together in this iconic piece from OG, the Guns N' Roses Orchestra. Fasten your hearts. This is the final blast of energy for the evening. Presenting our grand finale, Guns N' Roses Orchestra. Let the music take over.
In the streets of fire, red shadows play. Heroes to the power, against the grave. He spoke his truth and lived his way. A name that fears amongst the grave. The streets of fire, red shadows play. Heroes to the power, against the grave. He spoke his truth and lived his way. In him that freedom, against the grave.
Moment you all have been waiting for, the prize distribution ceremony will start from grade 1, and I request our chairman sir and director ma'am to come onto the stage for the prize distribution. Pooja Shrita, most improved student Avishka Patel, most polite and well mannered E Rayansh, 100% attendance S Devanshi, best dancer A Rishika, best singer N Govind Kartikeya, drawing prodigy Kritika, yoga champion Srihan, best communicator Pratyusha Gowda. Most improved student Venika Lahiri, 100% attendance E Hanvika, best dancer Nandika, drawing prodigy Srinika, yoga champion Nihita Sri, best communicator Liana, best athlete Fatima Faiza. Student Akshit Reddy, 100% attendance goes to Harnika, best dancer is backed by Aishwarya, drawing prodigy Avani Malik, best communicator Avyukta, most polite and well mannered is backed by Nihin. Nikshit. The top performer of Most improved student is Jay Shivaswarup. 100% attendance, Gautam Nagasai. Best dancer, Kushi. Best communicator, Roshni Mirza. Most polite and well-mannered student, Shanvika. Yoga champion, Tanmay. Best athlete, Chinmay. Subramanya Mahib. Most improved student goes to Namasvi. 100% attendance goes to Fani Verma. Best dancer goes to Niharika. Best communicator S. Tanvi. Most polite and well-mannered K. Nihal. Parents, will you please applaud for them? Tiny dancer go to Riyanshi Sanvi. Echo warrior goes to Aryaveer. And 100% attendance Srinidhi. Please clap for them, parents. It's their first prize for them. Tiny dancer, Arman. Echo warrior, B. Ashrita. 100% attendance, Sri Charan. Next we'll move to LKG star is Vihana. Neat and tidy award goes to Abba Malik. Super participation, Hadvika. Tiny dancer, Ridhima. Echo warrior, Tanvik Ram. 100% attendance, Kushal Kumar. Sai Samhita. Super participation, Hanvika. Tiny dancer, Satvik Avinash Sirse. Echo warrior, Adya. 100% attendance goes to Yashika. P. Rohita Sai, 100% attendance. Best athlete, Kamal Tesh. Moving to 8th grade now. Top of % attendance, G. Jashwant Sai. Best dancer, Pooja Shri. Best singer, Kartika Nandini. Best photographer, Aman Chanakya. Best musician, Abhinav Reddy. Most obedient, Lok Satvik. Lucky draw. There would be 20 lucky winners today who will be getting surprise gifts. Let's see if you have the luck today. Let's test your luck. A grand success. Since morning, they have been working with our teachers to make this event a grand success. A huge round of applause for our volunteers. Thank you, children. Thank Shika from UKG.
Joshua's parent, Joshua of 9th grade. First admission of Riha. still remember. Parent of Anmisha Sai of grade 3. Anmisha Sai, I think she's here. Come on to the stage.
After this, the parents have participated in the dance today. Please come near the stage.
Chetan Sai's parent, Ramakrishna. Parent of Babita of grade 4. Grade 3, Babita. Shivanagendra Prasad Garu, are you here? Parent of Adya, Surender Garu, grade 4. Is he here? If you are, please come on to the stage. Parent of Sri Devansh. Parent of Sri Devansh, Rajni Garu, are you here? If at all, please raise your hand. And please come near the dais. Parent of Mahidhar and Manikanta, Tulsi Ram Garu, are you here? Mahidhar and Manikanta. Parent of Ritvika Nihanti of grade 5, Leela Manjusha Garu, are you here? Please come near the dais. Parent of Aman Chanakya, Kiran Garu, please come on to the stage. Parent of Aman Chanakya, grade 9. Congratulations. Parent of Vedant, G. Vedant. Prashant Garu, are you here? Parent of Vedant. Prashant Garu, please come on to the stage. Parent of Aditi Reddy of grade 2. Aditi Reddy, grade 2. Rajshekar Reddy Garu, are you here? Thank you. Yes, again it got repeated actually. Last year, this person has received lucky draw in 2, even now in 20. So Nanda Krishna, parent of Nanda Krishna, onto the stage please. Murthy Garu, onto the stage. Lucky Charm, lucky, congratulations. Lucky at Sehari, lucky at OG. Parent of Sai Chandra, grade 10. Prabhu Garu, are you here? Parent of Sai Chandra, grade 10. If yes, please come on to the stage. Parent of Sushmita, grade 10. Venugopal Garu, are you here? Parent of Sushmita, grade 10. Parents, if you are here, please come on to the dais, please. Parent of Shriyansh, R. Shriyansh. Revant Garu, onto the stage. Parent of Shriyansh. Nandu, I need a party. Parent of Sanvika, Raghavendra Garu. Parent of Sanvika. On to the stage, please.
Parents, we repeat the names. Raghavendra, parent of Sanvika, are you here?
Parent of Rohan Sai, Upender Garu, are you here? Rohan Sai T. Parent of Avyukt, Pavan Kumar, Mr. Pavan Kumar. Parent of Ajay Kumar, Anil, Mr. Anil. Parent of Ajay Kumar. Parent of Jashwant Kumar, Ganesh Garu. Parent of Jashwant Kumar. Parent of Gagan Murthy, Rupender Kumar Garu. Parent of Gagan Murthy, EY1. Parent of Puhashrini, Ramesh Kumar, Mr. Ramesh Kumar. Parent of Puhashrini, I think they are there. Parent of Charan Kumar Garu, are they here? Parent of Sidiksha, Praveen Garu. Parent of Sri Charan, Ramakrishna Garu, Mr. Ramakrishna. Parent of Sri Charan, Mr. Ramakrishna. Parent of Srimai, Venkatasai, Mr. Venkatsai. Parent of Hansika, Girish, Mr. Girish. Parent of N. Charansai, Jai Vamsi Krishna Garu. Vamsi Krishna Garu. Parent of Drivika Reddy, Praneeth Reddy Garu. Parent of Himanshu Kartikeya, Anil Kumar Reddy Garu. Parent of Himanshu Kartikeya. I think ma'am has danced. Parent of Vedant Reddy, Mr. Gautam Garu. Onto the stage quick please. So these are the lucky winners for today. Thank you so much parents for coming. There is a small felicitation left to all those who helped really hard. Congratulations.
Now, people who have stood by us all through this year, a special mention goes to Viresham Gaud. So could you please come onto the stage? And Vishnu Gaud. Viresham Gaud Garu and Vishnu Gaud Garu, thank you so much for your support. onto the stage, the parents who have performed today.
Our parents really strived hard, practiced, took their time, late nights, oh my God, what not, matching outfits along with earrings, accessories, etc., etc. They created a group, stayed with unity, and that's their performance today. Thank you so much, dear parents. Lot of applause and appreciations to you.
Stage, the choreographer for today's event, who has been working tirelessly from the past few months, the Prabhudeva of Riha. Next, I invite Manasa onto the stage, who has within very short period of time has become a member of our Riha family, an important member. She took care of the pre-primary section. She was like a part of every dance performance. At Riha, we always value arts. We are done with dance and we'll move to music now. A special mention to Naveen sir. Naveen sir, can we have you on the stage? And Ramalakshmi ma'am. A sincere thanks for creating a memorable and vibrant musical concert today. Naveen sir and Bharat have been a part of exceptional digital and visual excellence that has enhanced the event today. Whatever visuals you have witnessed today on the screen were the hard work of Naveen sir and Bharat. Lakshmi ma'am, the music teacher of Riha. Heartfelt appreciation to Director of Photography, Mr. Praneeth, for capturing every moment beautifully. And every unseen hand behind the scenes, your contribution has made this celebration truly complete. We thank you wholeheartedly. With gratitude in our hearts, we bring this beautiful evening to a close. Thank you all and have a wonderful night.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
और ये तो सिर्फ ट्रेलर है, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त। ఉన్నాడు అంటే